What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel and today's video. In the last video, we custom made very own exhaust. So that 3-inch stainless steel, or mostly 3-inch stainless steel exhaust is now on the car. It's as loud as it's literally ever been, I think, by far, but it's quite entertaining. So today we're going to test it out, make sure it doesn't fall off, break it in, so hopefully it's not so loud anymore, since all that bare shiny metal is very, very loud initially. But it's going to be a pretty sick day with a lot of the homies from South Florida. So we got Danny, Tay, Andres, Yamil is back in town, even got Duarte and famous man Film HQ joining us in a little bit. So I'm pretty stoked. We're just waiting for them to open the gates and we're gonna get it going. Being able to hear the car helps so much. I think I kind of lost that as soon as I went turbo. Couldn't really hear the car all that well. It's kind of cool now, especially because besides the built motor, me and Yamil you listen to that, we have very similar setups. I think we have the same turbo kit. He runs a lot more boost, built motor, but it definitely sounds a little bit more like his car now. That was the car I test drove before I bought the turbo kit. It's doing pretty good on temps. Now I think I might get right into some tandems with some people. cool because literally the only difference between my car and Yamil's car is the displacement. Like, he has a built motor, I have a stock motor, so the compression is different. He's on a little grippier tires, but I think like we're running similar grip levels, I would say. But man, these are like really good tandems, I feel like, because these cars are literally same angle kit, same turbo kit, a lot of the same parts. Too hard. My bad. Thank you for not killing me. You probably saw that coming a little bit.
You slowed down, I was like...
Yeah, I wound that up way too tight.
Good.
Yeah.
You're good. This exhaust, like my theory with the exhaust, ended up to be true, and it wasn't just entirely that I'm bad at driving, but that not being able to hear my own car was definitely a problem, because I just feel like my tandems today were much better. I was much more in tune. I was like reacting quicker, even on the solo runs. Man, I think that's a freaking success, if you ask me.